And grab your teams there. Inception, you bird. Break number 6149. Dice roll. We're going 5 times. Letters first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 1 is 5. K up top. In at the bottom. And 5 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Mason up top. Jesse at the bottom. Let's sort them out. 6149. Let's sort them. There's your letters. Good luck here, everybody. Good luck. Here we go. Inception, you. Good luck. First up, Will Shipley, W spot. Jeremy Roach for the J spot. Sky Clark for the S spot. And Oscar for the O spot. To 299, Jalen Carter for the J spot. Going to Chuck Iverson. Haven't seen one of these yet. That's a sweet looking card. Anthony Black, 57 out of 99. On to James Bomboy. There you go, James. Anthony Black to 99. And Tyler Buchner on the gold. 31 out of 50 for the T spot. And Chuck Iverson. Tyler Buchner to 50. And quick recap. We got Oscar, Sky Clark, Jeremy Roach, Will Shipley, Tyler Buchner to 50, Anthony Black to 99, and Jalen Carter to 299. The Inception, you bird in the box. That's the break, everybody. Appreciate the fill.